Alright everyone, welcome back to Southball 210 Outdoors. Heading up to the hunting camp, meeting Dad today. Got some work to do, grass cutting, weed eating, but I also built him a blind platform for his blind. We're going to go ahead and get his blind out, get the deer used to it. I'm going to put up a camera, do a little feeding, just get away. So come on with me today. We're going to head to hunt camp, meet Dad, and I got to stop at Ace Hardware and get one more thing for my ground blind, minus the bracing that I still have to put on it. But I got an idea. It might work, it might not, I don't know, but let's I'm going to try it. So come on with me. Let's spend a day at the hunting camp. Just letting Grandpa know I'm here. Here he comes. He's an old red today. '89 Fords in the house. That truck's hauled more dead deer than you could ever think about killing. Okay, y'all, I don't know if you can see my blind. It's up there. Trying not to shake this phone camera. And what I'm going to do is put a camera out down here, the cross right here. So I think in that bare spot right there, I'm going to put the camera on the tree there on the left and get some corn out and see if I can get some pics, see what's moving through here. Little mud hole. Okay, guys, eyebolt there, stake into the ground, ratchet down. This is just to keep a wind from picking the platform up. This is just extra precaution. What I am going to do though, I'm going to, next time I come in, I'm going to put a little concrete in there just to give it a little extra. But it'd have to be a pretty strong wind to take the platform now. Again, I'm going to brace the legs. I got to brace mine and Dad's legs, so that'll be the next trip. But I think this will just give it a little bit more. Put a little mud hole in with this block I got here, just a little apple crush. Trying to start a new mineral hole up here by my ladder stand is over there. You guys can see it right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put another put another strap on it while I'm here, because I noticed last time it really doesn't, but while I'm here I'm gonna go ahead and get it ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a new strap on it real quick. Shit you do when you're in your 20s. Alright, coming over to Dad's mineral hole here. I think this is where it was. That in there. All I saw was black. Look at the damn wasps. Been where y'all live, but here in north central West Virginia, the bees this year have been the worst I've ever seen them. Yeah, yellow jackets everywhere, wasps, hornets. I don't know if it's the weather or what's going on, but I can't remember the bees being as bad as they have been this year. If you guys are fighting the same battles, let me know in the comments. I'm curious. You just stop and then there's just like yellow jackets. I mean, if you stop moving, it's almost like you get stuck.